Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak like Nick DiGianni. First, choose a quality cut, ideally at least 1.5 inches thick, for even cooking. Next, season your steak generously on all sides with salt and pepper. Don't be shy. Finally, let your steak sit out for about 30 minutes to reach room temperature. This crucial step ensures a more consistent cook from edge to center, giving you that perfect result every time. Now, let's get that incredible crust. Heat a cast iron pan over high heat with a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed, until it's shimmering. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes. This creates a beautiful, flavorful crust. For perfect doneness, use a meat thermometer. Aim for 125 degrees Fahrenheit for rare, 130 for medium rare, and 135 for medium, pulling it off just before your target. Once seared, it's time to infuse even more flavor. Reduce the heat to medium, add a generous knob of butter, a few cloves of crushed garlic, and some fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme to the pan. As the butter melts, tilt the pan and continuously spoon the aromatic mixture over the steak for 1 to 2 minutes. This basting technique adds incredible richness. After basting, remove the steak and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Always slice your steak against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Aim for slices about 1/4 inch thick. Arrange your perfectly cooked steak on a platter and serve it immediately with your favorite sides. For more kitchen tips and great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the description below. Enjoy your delicious, restaurant-quality steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.